This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by J. Reilly. Beautiful Larson Estates home featuring 4 bedrooms, vaulted ceilings, open floor plan with gas fireplace. 4th room could be a bonus room or second living area. Spacious main floor master bedroom with big walk-in closet. Relax under your covered back porch in your hot tub overlooking the fenced backyard and greenbelt. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Reilly at 360-734-7500.